Once upon a time, in the savannah, a curious baby lion named Leo wandered away from his pride. Lost and alone, Leo met a kind-hearted boy named Kibo, who was exploring the grasslands. Kibo gently picked up Leo and cradled him in his arms. "Don't worry, little one," he said. "I'll help you find your family." As they walked together, Kibo shared his snacks and sang a soothing song. Leo purred happily, feeling safe. Suddenly, a loud roar echoed through the savannah. Leo's mother, the lioness, appeared, searching for her cub. Overjoyed to see Leo, she thanked Kibo with a gentle nuzzle. From that day on, Kibo visited Leo and his pride often, learning about lion ways and sharing stories. Leo and Kibo became best friends, exploring the savannah and having exciting adventures together. Their friendship taught Kibo that even different species can care for and protect each other.